Ho, ho, ho. It's that time of the year when the moods uplift. Everybody's excited for a present, a gift. All the kids are happy, but let's not forget, there are so many presents waiting for every alphabet. That's right, presents for the alphabets.
Hello!
Let's open the gift boxes with the alphabets.
Hey, it's the alphabet I. Come on, I. Don't be shy. Open your gift box. Let's see what gift did alphabet I receive.
Oh, wow!
It's an igloo!
That's a nice toy. J, it's your turn. Okay, let's see what's inside. A jigsaw puzzle.
Woo!
That's so nice. We are going to decide who has received the best gift. Hey, alphabet K, it's your turn. Open up your gift box. A kite. Alphabet K has received a kite as a gift. Alphabet L, what are you worried about?
Come on, come on! Time to open your gift!
Hello!
That's a lion plushie.
Lion.
Alphabet L is going to have so much fun playing with a lion plushie. Alphabet M, it's your turn. Let's see what gift you have received. Must be something amazing. A monster truck. Alphabet M just got a monster truck. Isn't that amazing? Alphabet N, it's your turn. Let's open the gift box and see what you've got. A night lamp. That's such a cute lamp. Alphabet O, it's your turn. Let's see what's inside the gift box. Wow, that's an orange sports car. Alphabet P, what did you get? Wow, Alphabet P, you got a pony. Do you think Alphabet P has the best gift?
Enjoy the rhyme. Let's all wait for the rest of the alphabets to show up. Don't forget to subscribe in the meantime. See you again soon. Bye-bye. Ho, ho, ho.